Hi, this is Mr. V, and in this video we are going to learn how to calculate velocity from the velocity equation. So you should have learned by now that the velocity equation is written as v for velocity equals d for distance divided by t for time. So to calculate velocity, I need to know both the distance and the time. Let's look at this first example. If a runner covers a distance of 200 meters in a time of 9.2 seconds, what was his velocity? So I'll start by writing down my rule. Velocity equals distance divided by time. And then I'm going to write down the numbers that we've got. So we know that we went 200 meters in a time of 9.2 seconds. To figure out that answer, I'm going to take out my calculator. So 200 divided by 9.2 equals 21 point, we'll make that 7. 21.7. Now it's important here that you do remember to include the units, meters per second, for velocity. Okay, without the units, your answer will be considered incorrect because different units have different meaning. In the second example, we're going to use the same rule, but we're going to end up with different units. So the same rule, v equals d over t, velocity equals distance over time. And in this example, the distance is 190 kilometers divided by 3 hours. And I'll use my calculator again here. 190 divided by 3 equals, and that's 63.3. 63.3. And this time our units are kilometers and hours. So it's kilometers per hour. It's a very common unit for speed as well. Now we can't compare these two because they do have different units. In order to compare them, we would first have to convert one of these into the other, and there'll be another video on how to do that later. And that is how we can calculate the velocity from the velocity equation.